afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2022 Audi Q7 Premium Plus, and this is finished in Glacier White Metallic. Equipped with a 3-liter turbocharged 6-cylinder engine with an automatic gearbox. This is equipped with a 3rd-row seating, Audi side assist, 360 top view camera system, and adaptive cruise assist with lane guidance. Start up here at the driver front wheel, and as you can see, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Probably Scorpion Verde all-season tires. Sorry, I had this door open. And back here at the driver rear wheel, same as the front, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Back here on the rear bumper below the tailgate, there are a few little marks here. A few little light scuffs. Looks like some of it has been touched up. And back here at the passenger rear wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Finally, up here at the passenger front, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. And we'll take you to the inside. We have a black leather interior. Bang & Olufsen premium sound system. There's your 3rd row seating there. Adjustable climate control here for the 2nd row passengers. And a nice big panoramic sunroof. Driver seat memory with lumbar support. Power, heating, and folding exterior mirrors. There is your reverse camera, and you also have your 3D camera and your top view there. Haptic touch controls for both the MMI and the climate control settings. 3-stage heated front seats. And your multifunction steering wheel. And your Audi virtual cockpit. Current mileage is 58407. Okay, folks, if you have any questions, give us a call here, 614-793-1050. Tons of photos of this vehicle on our website, so please check those out at autoassets.com.